Hello guys, now we will clean a lot of animals. Wow, look at these guys. Wow, this is a lot of animal. Wow, let's clean guys. What is this guys, do you know? Let's clean. Wow, this is a chicken. Wow. What is this guys? Wow, this is a zebra. Wow, amazing. Look at this guys. Wow, what is this? Wow, this is a lion. Whoa, a very, very nice lion. Wow. Wow, look at this guys. Whoa, this is a rhinoceros. Wow. Whoa, this is a dog. White dog. What is this guys? Let's clean. Whoa, goat. This is a goat. And what is this? Wow, this is a polar bear. Wow. Amazing. And what is this? Whoa, this is a cheetah. Wow, what is this guy? This is a deer. Look at this guy, what is this? Wow, this is a chicken. A hen. What is this guys? Whoa, this is a dog. And what is this? And what is this guys? Whoa, this is elephant. Look at this guys. Wow. What is this? This is a cow. Brown cow. Wow. Look at this guys. What is this? Wow. This is a horse. Brown house. Wow. Look at this guys. Whoa. This is a hippopotamus. What is this, guys? Wow. It's what? Whoa. What is this, guys? Look, guys. This is a giraffe. Whoa. Wow. What is this, guys? Wow, this is milk cow. Wow. Amazing. Whoa. And what is this? Wow. Look again, guys. Wow, this is a milk cow, guys. Wow. And this one, guys, again. Clean here. And look at this, guys. What is this, guys? This is a deer. Whoa, amazing deer. Wow. And what is this, guys? The final one, guys. Look at this, guys. Do you know what is this, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, this is a gorilla, guys. Whoa, amazing gorilla.